Okay, this is the last part of this lesson. At the start, we said that we're going to study all of this. Okay, so we're done with exponential. Okay, so we're just going to solve equations here later, but we're going to finish first with logarithmic. So now we are in log half. We're just introduced logarithmic in this lesson. Okay, so try to pay attention and really persevere here because this is a totally new topic. Okay, so a lot of students are having, I don't know, for me, if you just listen and persevere, you will understand. Okay, so let's start. So I'm going to introduce what are logarithms. Okay, so let's start with the exponential. So I'm just going to use these two equations here. Okay, these three numbers here. We know that 2 to the third is 8, right? Okay, we always know that. That's very easy. 2 to the third is 8. Now this is the base, this is the exponent, this is the value. So now if I want the answer here to be 2, so we are going to use these three numbers. What can I do? Using 8 and 3, that will give me 2. Pause the video and try to understand and answer. Okay, I told you, you better engage on this. You cannot just listen. It's not going to benefit you. So what will I go to 8? What will I do to 8 and 3? So I'm going to get 2. Okay, I hope you said cube root of 8 is 2. Okay, so now this is the relationships. This is an exponential, this is a radical. Cube root of 8. Now what about if that is going to be 3? Okay, so what will you do? So 3 is the exponent. So you're basically asking yourself, 2 to what power, or 2 to what exponent? 2 to what exponent will give you 8? Will give 8. Okay, so that is what we're going to learn today. So what exponent will give 8? Okay, 2 to what exponent will give 8? So your answer will be 3. So this one, the to what exponent will give, okay, base to what exponent will give, this is what you will write. That is, to what exponent will give is log. Okay, log means, so you write log. That's the, okay, that's how your reader will know you're trying to get the exponent. And then you will write here the base. The base is lower. Here it's sub 2. Log base 2 of 8 equals 3. That's how you write it. Okay, so you read it as, read as log base 2 of 8 is 3. So that's it. That's the lesson. That is log. Okay, so logarithms means the exponent to which the base must be raised to get the number. Okay, so logarithm is the exponent to which the base must be raised to get the base must be raised to get the number. Okay, so this is very important. Listen, when you see a log, you always go like this. 2 to the third is 8. Again, 2 to the third is 8. That's the, okay, direction you have to go. 2 to the third power is 8. Okay, like that. Every time you see that. So again, this is the exponential. 2 to the third is 8. And this is the logarithmic. Log base 2 of 8 equals 3. Okay, so that's how you convert from exponential to logarithmic form. This takes a little bit of getting used to because, okay, it's the first time you have encountered it. So that is how you do it. Okay, so let's say base to an exponent. Well, let's not use e because we just started e. Okay, you could use any base to, let's say, m, any letter equals n. So you will write that as log base, what is the base here? Log base b of n is m. So b to the m is n. I told you that's how you always look at, okay? 2 to the 3 is 8. b to the m is n. Okay, and one restriction here in logarithms, the base should always be positive. Okay, so let us try to, I want you to answer this, okay, and convert this one. So I'm going to start here. These are given in exponential form. You are to convert to logarithmic form. So 3 to the 4th power is 81. So that will convert to log base 3 of 81 is 4. Okay, so the base goes here, the value goes there, the exponent goes there. So try to pause the video, convert this to logarithmic form, and then convert this, do the reverse, convert this to log form. Okay, so pause the video and try to do that. Okay, I hope you did. Okay, convert that to, so this one, like I said, always do the work or else it will not benefit you. Okay, so this one is log base 5 of 25 is 2. Check your work. This one will be log, the base is 1/2. The exponent is 3. The value is 1/8. Here, this will be log base 3 of 1/9 is -2. I hope you know negative exponents. So this can be negative, only the base cannot be negative. 4 to the 1 is 4. So log base 4 raised to 1 is 4. Okay? So you could notice when these two are the same, it's always 1, of course. Okay? And here, log base 8 raised to 0 is 1. Okay. Now, let's try this one, the opposite. So, try this one too. Pause the video and answer the inverse. You're given in logarithmic. You are asked to find, okay, in exponential. 2 to the 5th is 32. So, try that. Pause. So, this will be 2 to the 5 is 32. Pause and answer the next. So 10 squared is 100. 5 to the -2. I told you always go this way. This way. This way. Okay. So that will be 5 to the 2nd to the -2 is 1 over 5 squared or 1 over 25. 9 raised to 1/2. That is like square root of 9. Okay, so square root of 9 is 3. I hope you know that. Fractional exponents, that is the same as square root of 9 raised to 1. And then here, 1/2 squared is 1/4. Okay, so I hope you got all of that. We only have one more video for log.